2021, I figured the locusts would show up first, but the cicadas, they need warm weather. They certainly got it.
Jim, look what I have in my hand. I am ready with my secret weapon. I have my flip-flop on, just ready for those cicadas. I tell you, they don't want a piece of my flip-flop.
Don't mess with Llarisa. She is armed and dangerous.
But today we are tracking some rain behind me, and that rain, for all of you who were complaining that yesterday was just too cold, today the rain, of course, the clouds have kept temperatures at bay, but it's still mild out there. We're already approaching 80 degrees, and today we will eventually top out at around 82. Now you can see the batch of rain that's beginning to move into the Delaware and parts of the Lehigh Valley. Now some of this rain does have embedded thunderstorms, and that's what we're going to be watching as we head towards the latter half of the afternoon. So with any thunderstorm that does develop, we do have the possibility for a few of them to turn severe, with the primary impact being strong damaging winds as well as brief downpours. Right now we're not going to be tracking frequent lightning, and the threat for tornadoes is simply low. Take a look at future weather. Here's 6 p.m. tonight. You see those thunderstorms beginning to rumble across the region. Some downpours are likely as well. So if you're heading out, maybe heading back to work, if 6 p.m. is your commute, just watch out for a few rumbles of thunder. Watch out for some downpours as well. As the system continues to work its way through the region, we're going to see some drier conditions unfold here for Friday morning, but it's not until after 3 a.m. that I'm keeping us dry for Friday. Now, one thing to know is that winds will be kicking up, and a high wind watch will then go into effect starting at lunchtime. This is for Friday, and that's going to take us at least until 1 a.m. Notice how it's the entire region, and we are going to be watching wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, so it's just smart to plan for a few power outages. So whipping winds once again unfolding here Friday afternoon, at least until Saturday morning. We're going to be tracking 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Make sure to secure any outdoor objects, and make sure to charge those devices just in case we do have a few scattered outages. Now let's go ahead and talk 7-day, because tomorrow Friday, notice how it's cooler with highs climbing to 70, near normal. We continue that trend Saturday before we bump it back up on Sunday.